Aisha owns a piece of a jewelry currently valued at the Rm 85000. She's considering two options. One, sell it now and invest the money at 5.2% interest compounded quarterly, or keep the jewelry and sell it after 4 years for Rm 100,000. Which the option will provide Aisha with a better financial return? A future value of 104,512 ringgit and 94 cents. Based on the two options, therefore, option 1 will provide a better financial return for Aisha because she will profit more than option 2 if she sells it after 4 years.
So I'm going to discuss with you guys about the question number 2. So let's read the question first. So Ravi deposits Rm 1,200 ringgit into a savings account that earns 7.2% interest. Compounded every 2 months. 4 years later, he makes a second deposit because he wants the total amount in the account to be Rm 5,000 ringgit. Exactly 2 years after making the second deposit, what should the amount of the second deposit will be? Well, we need to take out the formula first, which is the S equal to P, open the bracket, 1 plus interest, close the bracket and add. So, the P is 1,200 ringgit, rate N is 36. So, when you calculate the numbers, you guys will get Rm 1,843 ringgit and 66 cents. So let's go to the second question. P2 open bracket 1.53637931 equal to 3,156 and 34 cents. So about the P2, okay, we already done. So wait.
So, let's move to the question number 3. Mr. Sadiq deposited Rm 8,500 in an account at K% compounded semi-annually. After 4 years, the amount is Rm 10,156 ringgit 6 cents. So, calculate the A, interest rate, K% compounded semi-annually. B, total amount if the deposited was extended for another 2 years. C, total interest earned for 6 years. And then 4.5% per K. And then the final answer we get 4.5%. Let's move to the question 3B. Total amount if the deposit was extended for another 2 years. So B, we need to use the formula as equal R bracket 1 plus K per M bracket empty. So the S is 8,500 bracket 1 plus 0.045 per 2 bracket 12. So the answer we get Rm 1,101 ringgit 42 cents. So let's move to the question 3C. Total interest earned for 6 years. So we use the formula interest equal future value minus principal amount. 1,100 101.42 minus 8,500. So the answer is 2,601.42 cents. So let's move to the question 4. Najira sold a piece of land for 130,000 and used 50% of the amount as a down payment on her new house. She then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the house, which was priced at 650,000 from a bank that charged 4.4% interest compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid over a period of 30 years. So A, find the monthly payment 5 marks. B, calculate the interest charge 3 marks. C, immediately after paying the 300th payment, she decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance 3 marks. D, If she fails to pay the first 3 monthly payments, find the amount she has to pay on the fourth payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears, 3 marks. So first of all, we need to find the A. Cash price is 130,000 ringgit and down payment is 65,000 ringgit, and for the loan is 650,000. So cash price 130,000 minus down payment 65,000 ringgit, so we get 65,000, and we use the formula A equal L minus DP. So 650,000 minus 65,000, so we get 585,000 ringgit. Okay, so the answer is RM 2929.45. So let's move to the question B. Calculate the interest charge. Interest equal total payment plus amount borrowed. So bracket 292945 multiply 360 bracket minus 585,000. So the answer is 469,602 ringgit. The balance is 157,517.79 ringgit. 11782.41 ringgit.
So here's it for question number 5. So Bella buys a built-in French door refrigerator with a cash price of 42,870 ringgit by making a down payment of 10%. So the balance will be settled by making a monthly installment of 635 ringgit Malaysian. So if the interest charged to 4.99% compounded monthly, so find the number of the year need for balance to pay in full. So all this you get a 6 mark by answer this question. So for the answer, let's see for the next slide. So for answer 5, so we are giving the cash price of 42,870 ringgit. So we are also told that the down payment rate is 10%. So to get the rate in decimal form, so we divide 10 by 1,000, which is give us 0.1. So next, we need to calculate the down payment. So as you can see, 0.1 multiplied by 42,870 ringgit, so equal to 4,287 ringgit. So now, to find the loan amount, so we need to subtract the down payment from the cash price. So 42,870 ringgit minus 4,287 and equal to 30,583 ringgit. So this means that the loan amount is 38,583 ringgit. So for the next answer, let's see for the next slide. So here is it. So we are giving a monthly payment of 635 ringgit. So which is a yearly interest rate of 4.99%. So since payment are monthly, so we need to divide by 12 to get the monthly rate. So which is 0.04158. So we use the energy formula as you can see. And then after that, we plug in the value. So after plug in the value, so we divide both side by 635 ringgit and we get this answer 60.7606. And then you need to simplify to this number, and then now we can use the log to find m. So for the next answer, let's see for the next slides. So here is it for answer for question number 5. So from the previous step, so we already have the answer. So first of all, we need to rearrange the equation first. So and then we get 0.74 and 73. So and then we need to use log to solve for this question. So after using log for this calculation, and then we get 69.50. So this means 69.5 is equal to the month. So before that, you need to convert to the years. So as you can see, we use the formula. So and then we get 5.79 years. So it will take about 5.79 years to finish the payment. So that's for answer for question number 5. So that's all from me. So thank you.